Greetings everyone, welcome to Tanisha's Locs, Beauty Tips and Potpourri. Today I have the lovely Sophia with me. We are both going to give a brief update on our lock journey. And as you know, she is how many weeks in?
I'm 2 months now as of the 24th.
2 months now as of the 24th of
May.
As of 2 months ago though, which means you were in
March 24th.
Okay. Yeah. And as you know, I'm pushing 8 years next month. I just had a retightening, and I hadn't been to my original loctician since October. As you know, I had done my own retightening back around December for the first time, and I loved it. I just wanted to know that I could do it. I have no intentions of doing it on a regular basis, but I just wanted to know that it was possible. And so it's been a week. I'm very satisfied. As an update on what's going on with my hair, as you know, with locks, your hair does get thicker, regardless of what the people say who talk about thinning. If you take care of your hair and you have a great loctician, it gets thicker. So here and here, my hairline is kind of moving forward, and same here. And periodically I have to add an additional lock. So I added 3 more. I did this myself. Don't do this at home. But I just put in 2 little extension thingies to hold space. She did retighten these for me, and after a few more retightenings, I will remove this. But this will keep it from unraveling. So I just took some natural kinky hair, and the same way you would do an individual braid, I did that. So by the time I went to her this past week, she was able to actually retighten with the Sisterlock tool this portion. So again, as you can see, the rest is just a regular extension, but I don't mind that. You can see it a little bit up close, but there's no biggie. Those are my major updates. Here is the other one. It's just a regular plait that I put here. The baby hair was getting longer and longer, and it was just hanging out the edges, this stuff here. So when it got long enough, I just decided we need to do something about it to preserve it. Overall, I haven't been using the oil. This is probably 3 months. Miss the softness in my hair and the way it feels. That's the main difference. You know, I'm a die-hard fan of the oils I make, but my hair was starting to feel really heavy to the point where I was considering cutting it. So I decided to go without the oils. It did really lighten my hair. I also have extended my wash times. I'm washing my hair a lot longer and more times, which is something I wasn't doing before. So those are benefits, but it does look drier. It is revealing a lot more cotton. And so I picked a ton of cotton, which is why you see my ends, some of my ends the way they are, and some of them I just broke them off and so forth because I had to get the cotton out. Those are my main updates. I do miss the smoothness. It is more tangled now. And now that the summer is here, I'm going to reevaluate. I may go back to my oils on a limited basis. But again, we wanted to see how this was affecting the cotton. All right, Sophia, I'm giving it over to you. Give your update, baby. What's going on with your locks?
All right, guys. So I've had mine for 2 months as of a few days ago. And as you guys can see, there's a lot of growth. Because when I was in the first video, when I got my locks, my hair was really short. And I have a lot of budding going on, like these 2 buds. I also have this one just really like getting big.
You have a few.
These are budding back up in here. A lot of them in the back. And then I noticed some of these are happening where they're like looping up at the bottoms. And a lot of them are still loose ends.
What about this? Look at this. Wow. This is
right.
month 3, right?
Yeah, 2.
Because you got some
buds.
Budding going on there.
And then like there's a couple in here that just aren't doing very much at all. Like that aren't really locking very much. Like the front of my head, me and my loctician were saying that it's going to take a lot longer because this is the more soft and fine hair up here. And it's been like that for a while, where this was always the more, even though it wasn't heat damaged anymore. And then the back is locking phenomenally and have a lot of new growth.
Yeah, the back is, because it's kinkier. And yeah, look at this now. It's just been a week, Sophia, since you had them redone. And when she gets them redone, they are gorgeous. She requested that our loctician do the diamond parts. Not the diamond, but what did you call them, Sophia?
Yeah, it's diamond. Like
the diamond parts.
So
they're on an angle. So
yeah.
I really love that. And oh gosh, they feel so good. Put your head back a little bit more, Sophie. Oh, here's one that's got a little something happening on the end. Feel that?
Yeah. All throughout.
But they are definitely, here's another one that's doing something on the end as well. These actually really do feel different than what's going on at the top of your head.
Yeah.
And now Sophia's are kind of small. When she came home, I thought, wow, these are really little and they look amazing. Yeah, turn your head this way. That way we have more light.
But they are bulking up, aren't they?
The back doesn't look like it's bulking up as much.
Oh, really?
Not to me. I mean, like, getting thicker.
Yeah.
They are actually, because your hair, I think, is a little coarser in the back.
Yeah.
It seems like these are, they're staying tight a little bit more. Whereas the ones where your hair is a little bit
those are
softer, these are getting a little fatter, and they're getting more of the fuzzy look. But they are really interesting. Sophia, how often have you been going to get them?
I've been going every 5 weeks.
Every 5 weeks?
Because my hair is growing out so fast, and you can see that because this has been a week, and there's already new growth up in here after a week. So
that may be untwisting more than it is new growth.
Right. I mean, but it is growing so fast. Like
she did say that last time. It's grown quite a bit already.
And if you guys look at the previous videos where we talked about Locs, I think some of you guys can attest to that it's growing. I have not seen my hair grow like that.
And now what is this? This is, you have a couple little fuzzy.
Like this one, I don't even know what this is.
Yeah, this too, Sophia, look.
This was like leftover.
Like it's trying to unravel from one of these. You might want to look at that.
No, I tried to do my own retwist or messed around with a few in the front with some Eco Styler and some Talia Wadget, and I messed them up. And then I put on my cap and I slept with it, and then they got flat. And I did not want flat dreads. So I went in the bathroom and I was panicking in the middle of the night, and I was wetting them and trying to roll them back out. It was bad. But as far as products, I haven't put anything in my hair for 2 months. I put a little bit of Talia Wadget in there, and she puts it in as she retwists it.
I warned her about that, but she doesn't listen.
But I haven't put anything in my hair, and I haven't seen my hair flourish so much because I've left it alone.
Ooh, okay, see, like, look at this, Sophia. You see, that's quite a bit of hair that's coming from somewhere.
Well, don't pull it out more.
I'm not pulling it out, but this is, okay, so what is it that will avoid that from happening? Because I don't know that should really be coming out like that. And I know when you come back from her, everything is tight and very neat, and everything is encased in the lock.
Well, probably because my hair is so soft. But it did get wet the other day.
I think it's been 2 weeks, not 1 week, because it's been
I
1 week
done
for
on
me.
May
You went the
18th.
week before me.
May 18th.
Yeah, it's been more like 2 weeks.
So
it's been more like 2 weeks.
Yeah, it's been
her.
like 2 weeks. But it starts getting messy after the first week. And I tried everything to keep it, because I like that neat, polished look.
It ain't gonna
And
last,
I tried to
though.
wrap it up. I tried to do all these things to keep it like that. But it's in that messy stage Mommy was previously talking about. Where she was like, it's going to look messy for a while. And I see that now.
And this is just the beginning of that,
But I
though.
love it.
This is cute messy. This is not the real messy.
And then
that's
you're
gonna
right
be
about
6
like
months
the
from
new
now.
hair coming in. Because my edges were not this far up before. Like, I didn't have all these extra, like, my edges stopped here. But now they're, like, coming up and filling out. But I wear it, I either wear it down, guys, or I'll take 2 out and put this part up. or I'll just put it all up in a bun.
She pulls on it a lot. I told her not to do that, but teenagers don't listen. I told you not to pull on it that much. I said handle it as little as possible. But these are they're like slinkies.
Yeah.
I just love them. They're so...
But I noticed they're becoming less like bounce back.
Really?
Because they're compacting, I guess.
No, they're not going to compact for a while, darling.
I used to be able to, like this one, I used to be able to stretch, and now I can't stretch it at all.
Okay, look at this one, Sophia. I'm going to show you something. Pull all this hair out of the way. I want to show you something. Now, this is one part, which... Did you mess with any of these at all? Are you sure? This
Mommy, leave it alone so it doesn't come out.
No, I'm not letting it come out. But this, Sophia, compared to your other ones, this looks like this was 2. This is kind of thick. It should be 2.
I haven't messed with them. But initially they were combining. Do you remember when I was telling you about my marrying locks?
Yeah, I do.
And I was pulling them apart, but they kept combining. So maybe that one got left behind. But maybe this is coarse hair, though. Feel it. That one feels coarse.
It's just fuzzy in and knotting.
I don't know, y'all. Mommy does want to admit that I have a lot of budding. And that my hair is locking. Because I tried to take them out. I tried to take one out. And it's like...
It's just getting a little tangled.
Mommy have locks.
You do have locks, baby. You do have locks. But they are beautiful.
But I'm just kind of waiting.
I want you to count them. I want to see how many you have.
Baby. A lot of my subscribers requested a lock count.
Oh, yeah. Nice of you. How many subscribers do you have?
I have 482 now.
She's getting up there. And
can you guys please subscribe to me?
You gotta be
show you my
in the
channel
camera,
now.
Sophia, so people can see.
Can you guys please?
Only if she promises to keep these off of her face and to show us her forehead.
The real
What's
Ronnie.
it called? Oh, the real Ronnie. Oh, that's the name she gave herself.
The real Ronnie, guys.
R-A-N-I.
And I do a lot of lock videos. I've done 7-week lock update, choosing between traditional locks and Sisterlocks, 1-month lock update. I have a lot of, you guys are seeming to like those videos. And the first one, where I started my lock journey, you guys gave me 938 views and like 45 comments. So you guys need to like go to my channel and support. Please.
It's a request.
Please. Because I'm so close to 500.
You have to make sure you're in the camera.
4 years, guys. Since 2012.
Inconsistently,
actually, that's more than
guys. Ladies.
Yeah.
Well, ladies, that's our update for the day. Sophia, is there anything else you want to add?
Let me know what else you guys want us to do.
Yeah, give us some feedback.
I know one of you guys
comments.
said that you wanted mommy to style my hair and me to style mommy's hair. So if you still want that, then let us know. Because it'd be fun to see mommy do that.
Well, I want to thank you all for watching the video, and I want to thank all of you who have subscribed to the channel. We're a little over 4,200 now. Okay, so that's really nice. I'm loving that. And I have missed you guys. I miss y'all whenever I stay away too long. So today I saw Sophia coming down the steps. And I said, okay, we got to do a video. Come on, now. So we love you guys, and we will be coming back to you soon. Please tell this child she does look like me. She thinks I found her in the
looking at you now, and I'm like, wow, we look alike.
We look alike, right? Somewhat.
Let us know
see, she's coming out of her braces, and I got to get them. Look at this override. It's getting worse and worse.
I think her teeth are pretty.
And they're shifting.
And I've had braces for 5 years.
They're shifting
and I can tell
doing all kind of crazy stuff. As you start getting older, they start doing stuff. So sometimes my teeth just are suspended. So y'all be getting braces soon. I've been putting it off for 3 years.
But tell her she's going to look so cute with braces.
Who wants to get braces at this age? You know what I'm saying?
She looks young.
Anyway.
Okay, we'll see you guys later.
We love all of you. And thank you for all your lovely, wonderful comments and all your great support.
Yes.